In our cars, we not only want to be mobile, we also want to stay in touch on the phone. Whether it's for a quick chat or a longer call, with the infotainment system's hands-free phone function, you can safely make calls from behind the wheel. Learn how to connect your mobile phone to the infotainment system via Bluetooth, or how to call a contact from your phone book. Stay on call, even when behind the wheel. To use the hands-free phone function, tap on Phone. First of all, you need a Bluetooth connection between the infotainment system and a compatible mobile phone. Connecting a phone is easy, and it only takes a few steps. First, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile phone and it is set to visible for other devices. Now tap on Search Device. Select your infotainment system from the Bluetooth device list on your mobile phone. Accept the connection on your phone and on the infotainment system. After accepting the connection, some mobile phones require access to certain phone features, such as the address book. Keep an eye on your mobile phone and accept any related requests. Several functions are available, such as your contacts and call history. To start a call, tap on Contacts and select a name from the list. Did you know that you can easily search for a contact? First, tap on the Search button. Then select the button with the first letter of the contact name that you want to search. You can further narrow down the list of matches. Continue with the next letter, or select a contact to call.